Hello, I'm Josh Topper of Topper Machine. As many of you know, we have some pretty cool stuff here. We've got the manual machine shop, the shop-built circular sawmill, the steam traction engine, the 80 Baker 2175 traction engine, and we have some antique tractors. Well, of the antique tractors, this is my favorite. This is my 1933 McCormick Deering Farmall F12. The serial number is 3327. And according to all the records I've read, seen, things like that, this is one of the earlier of the international motors. So in 1933, they were still using Waukeshas, and as they moved into the IH motors, the experimentals or testing phases, I believe this was one of the testing tractors for the IH motor. Just by the fact that there wasn't many before it that had the IH motor, and then there was still Waukeshas going in tractors for a while after this tractor. So, pretty cool. What we're going to do today is we're going to fire it up and we're going to go for a ride. I've got to spread some sawdust on the trails. We just did a bunch of sawing the other day, and check out them videos. And we're going to go spread the sawdust. We'll take it for a ride and you guys can see how it runs. I hope you all enjoyed that ride as much as I did. It's a wonderful little tractor. I really enjoyed it. McCormick Deering Farmall F12, 1933. And this tractor replaced probably a team of horses. Great innovation for agriculture. A wonderful thing. So with that, we'll end here. Please check out my website, www.toppermachine.com. And please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.